Presenting, Brother DCP-T426W Inktank Refill System Printer in white. It comes in a size of 43.5 by 35.9 by 15.9 centimeters and weighs 5.71 kilograms. This all-in-one color printer can print, scan and copy. And comes with black, cyan, magenta and yellow inks. The printer is Wi-Fi and USB enabled. And can print various sizes like A4, letter, legal, Mexico legal, India legal, folio, executive, A6, envelopes and more. It has a print speed of 28 pages by minute in black and white and 11 pages by minute in color. And a page yield of 7,500 in black and white and 5,000 in color. And is compatible with BTD-60BK, BT5000 C ink bottles. The box contains the printer, power cable, USB cable and installation CD. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page.